mission of our company is to mainstream diamond chain technology. And this saw with a chain will do much more than what a typical concrete saw will do.
Diamond chain technology is a very safe way to cut concrete. It really uses more of a grinding operation. It's more like using sandpaper to wear something away at a very rapid rate. There's really no kickback.
It's a straight bar edge, it's not a circular saw. You don't get the overcut, you get the true square corner. You have the ability to plunge directly into concrete, brick, stone, small openings, square corners, no overcuts. Excavation's a big one for us. The pipe, the precast pipe, the artists, plumbers, mechanical, do-it-yourselfer, fire sprinkler guys, HVAC. I mean, you can walk down the line all day. If they're a little creative, that saw can come out of the box every day and go to work.
It cuts through anything, and we're finding that we can pretty much do just about any job we look at now. Concrete is not an issue anymore.